What's up, good people? It's Tamara. Welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are doing good. So in today's video, I'm going to be tackling our bedroom. It's not a huge mess, but I need to change the bedding and wipe down everything in here. It gets kind of dusty in here, and I don't think I've done a good thorough dusting in a while. So I hope you guys are in need of some motivation. Also, before I continue, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I hope that you will take a look around to see if this channel interests you, and if it does, I would love for you guys to join me over here by hitting that subscribe button. Make sure you leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know that you are new here. I would love to recognize that and to chat with y'all. So if you are ready for this motivation, I don't know if your bedroom is good. I know a lot of y'all, told me in the comments that yours stay pretty clean throughout the week. But just in case you guys need this motivation for something else, or if you are like me, sometimes the bedroom just gets kind of chaotic, then I hope this gives you just what you need. If you've been watching me for a while now, I've mentioned in several of my videos the desk that I had in here as my workspace, that I wanted to change it out. The desk that I had just was not functional. The space wasn't functional, and then it was black, and then it just didn't go with the decor. So this is the one that I had in mind, and I just needed to find a good price for me. Pretty much. So I really love this desk. I like how functional it is. I like the workspace that I have, and it is longer than the other one. As you can see, it goes towards the door frame. We just can't open the door completely, which is fine by me. I just like my little nook over here, and I just feel much more creative and productive. I really like sitting in my new space, so I really like it.
You should know I'm not like others. You should know I'm not the one.
Can't remember when I talked to y'all about, I think it was some videos back, I can't remember, but I was telling y'all how my husband doesn't understand why we have all these pillows. Y'all, because I changed the bedding out like every week, I'm asking myself about these pillows. Like, by the time I change the bed out and everything, I am exhausted from changing the pillows and the pillowcases and all that kind of stuff. It's a lot of work, but still it's worth it. The after is worth it. So what I have right now is just some Clorox disinfectant spray for fabric. So I'm just going to spray that on the mattress, and then the pillow covers that I did not change out, like the shams, I'm going to spray that on there as well.
'Cause I'm too rough around the edges. Too rough, around, edges. Too rough, yeah, I'm too rough around the edges.
So y'all, I'm still a work in progress when it comes to these corner tucks of my bed. Now, I don't strive for perfection, but I would really like to get this tuck going. Now, my girl Tifani Michelle, she can tuck a mean bed, like for real. So if you have not visited her channel, make sure you do. I will leave her channel link down in my description box if you're interested.
Why is it so hard to love? Only in my head, only in my head. I'm the person I should be instead. Oh my God. I'm too rough around the edges. I'm so undefined. Can't make up my mind. 'Cause I'm too rough around the edges. Steal and cheat and lie. Make my lovers cry. 'Cause I'm too rough around the edges. Too rough, around, edges. Too rough, yeah, I'm too rough around the edges.
So I'm gonna fight with this duvet cover, y'all. Okay, so it's several ways that I've seen that you can put this on, and that's why I never showed you guys, because I just never had a good way to put it on. I always struggle, and half the time I would have to wait on my husband to help me with it. But I want to say a couple days ago, Google sent me on my little Google homepage or whatever, this lady on TikTok who showed an easy way to put your duvet cover on, which was to tie, all four ends, and then to roll it up, basically like a Tootsie Roll, fold it over, and then bam, you know, the duvet cover is inside. The duvet is inside the duvet cover. Of course, it looked really, really simple, but I'm like, okay, I gotta wash my duvet cover this week, so let me see if I can try it. So I was a little confused, as you can see my face in a little bit, as to what to do next. I'm trying to remember, like, how in the world do I get this cover on the outside? You know, since I tied the 4 ends together, but then it slowly came back to me. And then, you know, once I got it around it, I'm like, okay, so what do I do next? Because it's like a little roll, you know. So then I realized I just needed to pull it apart. So this method was pretty good for me to try, and it wasn't that bad. I think once I continue to do it, I'll get the hang of it. I know my girl Tamara, she has a YouTube channel as well. It's titled Tamara Shelly. I will have it listed in the description box as well. She makes it look so easy when she changed out or put her duvet cover back on her duvet or comforter. I'm just still a work in progress, but check her out as well. She has a great channel. So I finally got it all together, and now I'm rolling it out. It was great, but it was like the top was still rolled up a little bit, but hey, I wasn't pulling it back apart. It was just fine. I thought that it was a success for me, especially with the first try. So I'll definitely be trying this again. Alright, you guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this motivation, and I hope it helped you in some sort of way to get up and get something done, whether it was your bedroom or another room in the house. Just thank y'all so much for hanging out with me today. If you are new here and you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. Also, y'all, leave me a thumbs up to let me know that I'm on the right track and you enjoyed this video. That really helps my channel a whole lot. So, blessings to y'all. I hope you have the most amazing week, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.
for no other. Yeah, you're the game I wanna play. Feels good.